Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI A9 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the sound option. Now let's scroll down a little and as you can see here we've got three options which are connected to the ringtone. We can change the ringtone for calls and this is the very first option, but also for notifications and alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone, and here we've got the list of defaultly installed ringtones. We can also set none, but your device won't notify you about any of the of incoming calls then. Or you can go to the very bottom and add your own ringtone. After tapping here, if you'll have any compatible files, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to set them as your ringtone. But let me get back and let me pick something from those, but let me volume up this device a little because we won't hear anything. So now in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it, just like it. And if you're happy with your choice and if you'd like to set the ringtone, make sure that it will be marked just like here and tap on OK. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. Of course, the same situation is for notifications and alarms. Just do it the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your UMIDIGI A9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.